Let's learn how to download Instagram as app on your PC. First step first, make sure that everything is working properly and that you are connected to the internet. Next step is to open the browser of your choice. In this case, I will use Opera GX. Now, you need to type in Instagram PC download. Wait for it to load, and you will see different options. In case that you do not have your Microsoft Store working, you can choose Softonic. But in this case, since I have Store set up, I will click on it. In this case, after clicking on it, it will lead me to the store itself. But since I have got Instagram already installed, you can proceed from now alone, set up your profile, and enjoy your Instagram. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel.